Okay, here we are. Bally flip-flop. Took the guts out of the game. Very simple. Just unscrew the on-off switch and 4 bolts and put it up on the top of the game so you can easily work on it. As we told you earlier, we will change fuses. We will readjust all these motor switches. All these switches will be readjusted. If you look at that top switch, it just barely makes. So what we do is move this up, the bottom switch. That's pretty good. Let's see how that looks. See how the switch moves back when it hits? Not just barely making like the second one. You want that blade to move back when the relay is fully energized. The second one down moves, but very little. That'll eventually fail. So adjust it, move it a little closer. Okay, that one's adjusted. See how the blades move back? That's what you want. You got to do that on all of them. You also got to clean them, file them. Usually they're pitted and they're black and need to be cleaned. If you don't clean them, you're going to have troubles. I don't know if we can see this example, but a lot of times they'll burn in the center from just arcing. Clean it till all that pitting is gone, so it's nice and shiny. Then that contact will work for you. Also, your motor switches, just unscrew this screw and this screw right here, and then the whole stack will come out. So we can do that real quick. That's one screw. Here's the other screw. Now you can just lift this up and see how easier it is to get to the motor switches. Then you can clean the motor, lubricate. Very important. Then you can also check all your contacts as you're cleaning them. If they spin or loosen the blade like we've discussed in the past, then you'll find it. So it's better when you restore a game, don't even plug it in. Go over everything. To me, troubleshooting before the game is restored is a waste of time. Because when you go over all your switches, you're going to find the problem anyway. And that way, when I plug it in, most of the time the game works very first try when I plug it in. That's because I go over everything. And that way you don't have to worry about the game failing on you. And when I'm done with a machine, I want to play it. I don't want to open it up and constantly fix it. So fix it right the first time. Clean all your Jones plugs, see how all corroded they are. And then you clean inside here with the Dremel tool. Clean all those inside and out. Plug and inside here. And then your stepper units, make sure they function, clean them, take them apart. You don't have to unsolder them. I've seen a lot of people unsolder and take it completely out of the game. You don't have to. It's a waste of time. If you have to get to it, undo these 2 screws, pull it out, and you're good to go. And service it. Do this on all the parts. Also in the head, when you get to the head. I don't put the head on because it's in the way when I need to get over here and work on the playfield. It just gets in your way. Put that on the very last when you're ready to work on the head. Leave it off. Okay, this is part 3, and we'll be back. Okay, so long.